Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to post longer text on Twitter. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're just going to open the Twitter application. Once you've opened, you will be seeing this screen, and this screen is the feed of your account. Okay, so first we're just going to try to create a tweet and hit the limit of the letters or the characters that is allowed. To do that, we're just going to tap on the plus sign located at the bottom right part of your screen, right above the messages icon. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be seeing this set of options. And in this set of options, the one we're looking for is tweet. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, you will be seeing this screen. And in this screen, you can now type in the tweet that you'd like. Let's try. I have here set of characters that just hit the limit, and as you can see, there are 0 characters allowed anymore. As for I've hit the limit, and to make it longer, there is a way, don't you worry. All you have to do is to tap on the plus sign. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, as you can see, you can now type in another set of messages or words, and let's try to add the same set of characters. And as you can see, it is 0 again. And all you have to do, if you're still not done, just tap on the plus sign again to add another tweet. And let's say you're done with those 3 tweets. Don't you worry, these tweets won't fall apart. I'll show you later. But first, we're just going to tap on the tweet all to post it. Let's go ahead and tap it. Once you've tapped on it, just wait for the tweets to be successfully sent. And once it's done, we're just going to go to our profile to check. And as you can see, the tweet that we made earlier is all connected. They may be different tweets, but they are all connected in the post and will be seen all together. And there you go. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.